some new bolts which will hold on the prop on the engine. Okay, so little holes there on these bolts, so you can lock. So I can put these new ones, stainless, okay, 8mm. I'll look at the rest of it for a little while. Alright, all the aluminium, main spine, quite a lot of bracketry stuff, steel. There we go. One of them. We want to fold the wings, and the cables are taken off, and back it comes, so its wings all the way back. This is the bracket for the spars, so that will swing. And we've got up here, we got the king post, that also come down. We want to fold it down. Right, okay. I'll just show you what the rest of it is then. It's just a barrow wheel, plastic, light, good enough for this, I reckon. Suspension, if we get a big bang. It's only got 2 axes, so we've got nothing for our feet to do. It goes on that bar. Seat, cheap plastic seat. It's fixed on. With some cables. Rudder. I'm waiting for the cables. Get that soon. Right, the stick for the elevator. That way for rudder. And we've got here a bearing for a bicycle head. I think to be okay. Nice and smooth, very smooth. I've got some more cables to do. These just gash ones just to try it out. Yeah. I'll do a bit more when I do some more brackets and stuff. I'll do it again soon. Okay, bye bye.